Hey everybody, I'm here in rural Alberta driving along the highway and I found this old ghost house. An old abandoned building. It's fenced in. I don't know if I can get through that fence. But this thing must be really old and abandoned. Let me walk by and see if I can. There's a gate or somewhere where I can sneak in without getting in trouble. This would be cool. Okay guys, I squeezed in underneath the fence and I got into the property. So somebody's doing some advertising on it. I'm not gonna go into the building because there's a danger of floors caving in. But look at this. Whoa. Old mattresses where they were living. Look at that. Just amazing. There is a basement. I'll film the basement in a bit. But let me get the top piece first. Wow, look at that. Roof is caving in. See the basement there? I guess that's where they had the stairs or something. Old wallpaper. I hope I don't get shot. Look, this was the main entrance or the kitchen. This looks like this was the kitchen. They have it sealed off. Old fan still laying around. Very, very old building. Asphalt shingles. Here was somebody's bedroom. Look in there. Everything just falling apart. Old homestead from somebody here in rural Alberta. Long, long time ago. They moved on to other places and they just abandoned the old home. Very neat. So look through here. I don't know what I'm filming because I got my hand stuck through a hole in the wall where they have the windows boarded up. But look at that. I hope there's no raccoon in here that's gonna bite my hand. See, I stuck my hand through there. Let me go down. I filmed the attic. Not the attic, the basement. Here's the basement. Really nice. Really, really nice. And get the basement once from the other side. Take a peep in there. See what we can see. Very neat. Very, very neat. So, coming to you from rural Alberta. And an abandoned home in the middle of nowhere, just a bunch of farmland. Now I gotta try to sneak out of this place. It's really hard with the barbed wire fence, but I think I figured it out. Let's see how it goes. Let me see if I can film myself crawling through this stuff so you can see how I got in and out. Prop up my camera somehow. So this is how I did it. This is how I got in. I'm too stiff to jump over the barbed wire fence, but I can make it underneath. And I'm through. I am through. I made it. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the short little video of this ghost house in rural Alberta. That got me winded, crawling underneath that barbed wire fence, but I had to get in there. I had to do it. That's an amazing old building. Imagine the stories that you could tell, that building could tell some amazing stories. But anyway, goodbye old house. It was good seeing you, and until next time, stay tuned for more crazy videos. Bye bye.